Hello students, today we will start our second semester. We will start with our first chapter, Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. It means my daughter is sleeping. Putri means daughter, Mama means my daughter. Khalu it means truly or peacefully. Nidrati it means sleeping. My daughter is sleeping. Students, in this poem there are express a love for daughter, a mother's love for her daughter, and she expressed by the various adjectives in this poem, and she want to, her daughter is not disturbed by any objects or anyone else. Let's start with our first shloka or first lines. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Sundar Shayane Sukhmay Vasane. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Putri Mama Khalu, it means my daughter is truly, Khalu it means truly, my daughter is truly sleeping. My daughter is truly sleeping. Sundar Shayane it means in a beautiful bed. In a beautiful bed. Shayane it means bed. Sundar means beautiful. Sundar Shayane Sukhmay Vasane it means in a comfortable clothes. Sundar Shayane Sukhmay Vasane, it means in a comfortable clothes on the beautiful bed. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati, it means my daughter is truly sleeping. Translation of it, my daughter is sleeping. My daughter is truly sleeping in a beautiful bed, in a comfortable clothes. My daughter is truly sleeping. Second shloka. Rere Vayas Karkash Kantha. Rere Vayas Karkash Kantha Marat Karna Kathoram. Shranta Kalanta Punar Nunita. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Rere Vayas Karkash Kantha. Rere Vayas, it means O crow. Karkash Kantha it means harsh voice. Marat it means do not make harsh voice repeatedly. Do not make harsh voice repeatedly. Again and again, do not make noise. Karna Kathoram it means hairs to the ear. That big sound hairs to the ear. We did not like to hear some sounds like that. Karna Kathoram, it means ear not want to hear that words. Shranta Klanta Punar Nunita. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. Shranta it means tired. Klanta it means weakened. Punar Punita, it means loved ones more. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati means my daughter is truly speaking. Okay, now the translation of it. O crow with the harsh voice. Mother said to the crow, O crow with the harsh voice, do not make noise that is unpleasant to the ear repeatedly. Do not make voice that is unpleasant. That is unpleasant. It means we do not like to hear that type of sound to the ear repeatedly. Repeatedly means again and again. The mother said to the crow, do not make noise that unpleasant to the ear repeatedly. My tired, withered and loved once more daughter is truly speaking. My tired, withered and loved ones. She said to the crow, my daughter is tired and my lovely daughter, loved ones, is sleeping, so do not make noise. Third one. Meow meow ma kuru ghur viram. Meow 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 ma kuru ghur viram. चल चल रे चल चोर बिलाड़ स्निग्धा मुग्धा सेविता दुग्धा पुत्री मम खलु निद्राति. Meow meow ma kuru ghur viram. It means, O Cunic cat. Mother said to the cat that don't make noise as meow meow. चल रे चल चोर बिलाड़. It means thief cat. Go from here. Thief cat, go from here. Do not the loud sound of meow meow. Don't sound like meow meow. Snigdha mugdha sevita dugdha. Snigdha mugdha sevita dugdha. Snigdha means gentle. My gentle daughter, or mugdha means innocent. Innocent. Sevita dugdha. It means just drink milk. Dugdha it means milk. Snigdha it means gentle. Mugdha it means innocent. And sevita dugdha it means just drunk milk. Mama putri mama khalu nidrati. Translation of it. O Cunic thief cat. Mother said to the cat, do not make the loud sound of meow meow. Do not make the loud sound of meow meow. That express the love of mother for her daughter. She don't want that her daughter is disturbed by anyone. So she said to the cat, O Cunic thief cat, do not make the loud sound of meow meow. Go away, go away. Chal re, chor bilad. Means go away from here. Go from here. My gentle, innocent daughter has just drunk milk, is truly sleeping. My daughter has just drunk milk and she now truly sleeping. So don't disturb her and go away from here. Number 4. Uchcher mya pasha shunak varak. Uchcher ma pasha shunak varak. Bhau bhau ma kuru karya vidhin. Bhau bhau ma kuru karya vidhin. Vimala kushila sumana mrudula. Putri mama khalu nidrati. Uchcher में pasha shunak varak. It means a wicked dog. Bhau bhau ma kuru karya vidhin. It means don't bark again and again or without any word. Bhau bhau ma kuru it means do not bark loudly. Vimala kushala. Vimala it means my ideal brain. Do not do bhau bhau. My daughter who is clean. It means kushala. Sumanam mrudula. Mrudula means clean, expert and delicate. Mrudula means delicate. Means like a flower. Vimala Kushila Sumana Mrudula means my daughter is clean, expert and delicate as a flower. Uchcherma Vashashun Varaka Bhaubhau Ma Kuru Karyavihi. It means of the cat dog, do not bark loudly and do not disturb my daughter again and again. She is sleeping now and she is clean, expert and delicate like a flower. Mother praised her daughter that she is clean, expert and delicate as a flower. She is sleeping now. She is truly sleeping. So she said to the dog, do not bark loudly and do not do bhav bhav. Now the last lines. Re re mashak ma kuru ganam. Re re mashak ma kuru ganam. Ma sprashya ma dasha rakta pipaso. Sudati sumukhi shobhan gatri. Putri mama khalu nidrati. Re re mashak. Mashak it means mosquito. Mosquito. Ma kuru ganam. It means do not sing. Don't sing or don't buzzing. Ma sprush ma dash rakta pipaso. Ma dash rakta pipaso. Ma sprush. Sprush it means touch. Do not touch my daughter. And ma dash. Dash it means bite. Do not bite my daughter. Rakta pipaso it means thirsty of blood. Mosquito is a thirsty of blood. Thirsty for blood. Sudati. Sudati it means beautiful. Sumukhi it means beautiful teeth. Then fascinating face. Sumukhi it means Sudati it means beautiful teeth and Sumukhi it means fascinating face. Shobhal Gatri means lovely limbs. Mama Putri Khalu Nidrati. So the translation of it, O mosquito, do not sing a buzzing song. Mosquito sing buzzing song. And she said to the mosquito, you are the thirsty for blood. So do not touch my daughter and do not sting or do not bite her. My daughter with the beautiful teeth, fascinating face and lovely limbs is truly sleeping. My daughter is truly sleeping. So do not touch her and do not bite her or sting her. You are thirsty for blood, but don't disturb my daughter. She is beautiful and she has fascinating face and beautiful, lovely limbs. So mother said to all the things. Mother said to, first of all she said to crow, then cat, then dog and now mosquito. She is worried about her daughter. This poem is expressed love for her daughter of the mother. So now we will look at the exercise. Okay student, now we will learn exercise. Pronounce the following words correctly. Pronounce the following words correctly. Nidati, Nidati, Shranta, Shranta, Klanta, Klanta, Snigdha, Snigdha, Mugdha, Mugdha, Unne, उनने मृदुला मृदुला स्पृश्य स्पृश्य and शोभन गात्री शोभन गात्री. Okay, now answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. The first question is पुत्री किं करोति. पुत्री किं करोति. I write the answer near the question. पुत्री निद्राति. It means daughter is sleeping. Putri nidrati. It means the daughter is sleeping. Now second question. कर्कशः कण्ठः कस्य अस्ति. कर्कशः कण्ठः कस्य अस्ति. It means how is cross noise or voice. कर्कशः कण्ठः किम अस्ति otherwise और कर्कशः कण्ठः कस्य अस्ति. The answer is वावस्य. वायवस्य कण्ठः कर्कशः अस्ति. Whose noise is harsh. Cross voice is harsh. Third question. बिडालः किं करोति. बिडालः किं करोति. Answer is बिडालः होर्वेर करोति. It means cat makes noise. भौ भौ कः वदति. भौ भौ कः वदति. It means who bark. Who bark. The answer is वराहः भौ भौ वदति. It means dog barking. Dog is barking. Fifth question. माता मशकाय किं कथयति. माता मशकाय किं कथयति. It means what did the mother say to the mosquito. What did the mother say to the mosquito. She said to the mosquito, मम पुत्री निद्राति. न स्पृश्य न दंश रक्त पिपासो. न स्पृश्य न दंश रक्त पिपासो. Mother said to the mosquito that my daughter is sleeping. Do not touch her and do not bite or sting her. You are thirsty for blood. Now match the following appropriately. Vayasa. Vayasa it means dog. Dog said bow bow. Correct answer is number 4. Then Bidalaha. Bidalaha it means cat. Cat said meow meow. Number 3. Shunak Varaka. Shunak Varaka. Sorry. First one, Vyas. Vyas it means crow. Crow said Karkash Kantha. Number 2. Bidala. Bidala it means cat. Cat says meow meow. Number 3. Then Shunak Varaka. Varakaha. Shunak Varakaha it means dog. Evil, cruel dog said ho ho. And number 4, Putri. Putri Nidrati. Number 1. Okay. Vayasaha means crow. Karkash Kantha. Crow has Karkash Kantha. It means Karkash has voice. Then Bidalaha said meow meow. It means cat said meow meow. Shunak Varakaha. It means dog. Dog said ho ho. And number 4, Putri. Daughter. Nidrati means sleeping. Is sleeping. Next exercise. Rewrite the following lines of the poem in good handwriting. Rewrite the following lines of the poem in good handwriting. Sundar Shayane Sumukh Vasani. Sundar Shayane Sukhmay Vasani. खड़ी है. उच्चे मां पशु पशा शुनक वराकः. उच्चे मां पशु शुनक वराकः. मां स्पृश्य मां दश रक्त पिपासो. मां स्पृश मां दश रक्त पिपासो. सुदती सुमुखी शोभन गात्री. सुदती सुमुखी शोभन गात्री. Okay student, now we will see some more exercise from our workbook. First of all, we will see MCQs. Number 1, Putri kim karoti. Putri kim karoti. The correct answer is Putri nidrati, means option C. Correct answer is option C. Putri nidrati. कस्य कंठः कर्कश अस्ति. कस्य कंठः कर्कश अस्ति. काकस्य बिडालस्य कुक्कुरस्य मशकस्य. The correct answer is option A. Kakasya. Question number 3. बिडालः किं करोति. बिडालः किं करोति. घोर विरावम. घोर विरावम. ऑप्शन बी घोर विरावम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. भौ भौ इति कः वदति. भौ भौ इति कः वदति. The correct answer is option D. वराकः शुनकः, वराकः शुनकः। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, शुनक वराकः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः अस्ति? शुनक वराकः इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः अस्ति? शुनक वराह, it means loud voice, crow, mosquito or small dog. शुनक वराकः, it means small dog. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 6, पुत्री dash खलु निद्राति, पुत्री dash खलु निद्राति. The correct answer is मम. पुत्री dash खलु निद्राति. Option D, मम. पुत्री मम खलु निद्राति. Question number 7, बिडालः इति शब्दस्य पर्याय शब्द कः अस्ति? पर्याय शब्द, it means similar word or meaning. बिडालः. The options are शुनकः, गजः, मार्जारः, वायसः. बिडालः, it means cat and its similar word is मार्जारः. Option C, मार्जारः. उच्चैमा भाषा एतस्य संधि विच्छेदः कः? नंबर 8, उच्चैमा भाषा एतस्य संधि विच्छेदः कः? संधि विच्छेद, उच्चैमा भाषा. क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन ए, उच्चे उच्चे प्लस मा प्लस भाषा, इट मीन्स उच्चैमा भाषा. Option A is the correct answer. Number 9, सुदति इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? सुदति इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः? With beautiful face, with beautiful body, with beautiful eyes or with beautiful teeth. सुदति, dati means teeth, su it means beautiful, with beautiful teeth. Option D is the correct answer. Number 10, वायस इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः अस्ति? वायस इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः अस्ति? Options are dog, mosquito, male cat or crow. Vaayas, it means crow. Option D. Number 11, शुनकः इति शब्दस्य पर्याय शब्द कः अस्ति? शुनकः, शुनकः इति शब्दस्य पर्याय शब्द, it means similar word of शुनकः. Options are काकः, कुक्कुरः, मयूरः, वायसः. काकः, it means crow. Kukkura, it means small dog. Mayura, it means peacock, and Vayas, it means crow. Shunak, Shunak, it means dog, and Kukkura, it means small dog or puppy. So the similar word of Shunak is Kukkura, means option B is the correct answer. Number 12, Vayasah कीदृशं रटति? वायसः कीदृशं रटति? वायसः कर्णकठोरं, it means harsh voice. Option B, harsh voice. श्रान्ता क्लान्ता अनुनीता च का अस्ति? श्रान्ता क्लान्ता अनुनीता च का अस्ति? Option C, पुत्री. Now our next exercise, find out the true synonyms of the given Sanskrit word from the options and write. Find out the true synonyms. Vayasa, Vayasa it means crow. words is Kaka. Vayasa, it means Kaka. Khalu. Khalu means truly or he and none. He or none, it means truly. Dugdam. Dugdam. Dugdam, it means milk, and its synonym word is paya. Paya. Paya, it means milk. Now, fourth number, Bidalaha. Bidalaha, its synonym word is Marjaraha. Marjaraha. Now, Shunakaha. Shunakaha, it means Shwan or Kukuraha. Shwanaha, Kukuraha. Number 6, Kanthaha. Kanthaha, it means Kantha Paryanta. Kantha Paryanta. Number 7, Sundaram. Sundaram, it means Ramaniyam. Ramaniyam means Sundaram. Number 8, Khala. Khala, it means Sadhu. Khala, it means Sadhu. Okay. Now, next exercise is find out the true opposite words of the given Sanskrit word. There are given two options and we have to find true opposite words. Our next exercise is opposites. First one, Sundaram. Sundaram means beautiful and its opposite word is Kurupam. It means ugly. Kurupam. Kurupam, it means ugly. Next one, Uche. Uche, it means highest and its opposite word is Niche. Niche. Then third one, Khala. Khalaha, it means its opposite word is Chaturaha. Next word, Kathoram. Kathoram means hard. Its opposite word, Snigdham. Snigdham, it means soft. Nidrati. Nidrati, it means sleeping. Opposite, Jagarti, it means awake. Jagarti. Last one, Sukhma. Sukhma, it means happily, and its opposite is Dukhmay, it means sad. Okay students, this is our first chapter, Mama Putri Khalu Nidrati. Putri Mama Khalu Nidrati. You have to write this exercise in your notebook. Kindly check our study material. I will post in study material all the exercises. Thank you.